Hey guys, so what I am working on today is installing a new lower ball joint into my 98 Ford F150. I just picked up this KTools Ball Joint tool so that I can install and remove ball joints. I'll have more when I go to do the other side. This is kind of my trial run on the left front, so excuse me, the right front side. When I do the left front side, I'll try and bring more video to you guys and do a full overall of how to rebuild the front end. I just wanted to do a quick video here on how to install the new ball joint. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to use this tool and install the new ball joint in the lower control arm. So if you come over here to my workbench, I'll kind of give you an overview. Alright, so what we have here is basically a large C-clamp of sorts. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take, I've already spec'd out the right size adapters here. It's going to sit in the truck like this because the ball joint goes in through the bottom, and you're going to sit that in there like so. And when you're installing the ball joint, you want to pick an adapter that will sit up against the edge of the ball joint so that it pushes the ball joint into the control arm. So this is the size that I've picked, and we'll sit that in the bottom of the housing there like so it'll sit like this in the truck. And then you're going to take your install ring, which will sit in the top here, and an adapter that will kind of go over the ball joint. And then you're going to take your threaded rod here like so, and it's basically going to press on the control arm and press the ball joint into the control arm. Come on over to the truck and I'll show you how to install it. This is where the ball joint's going to sit. I always put a little bit of white grease just around the inside here, just to let the ball joint kind of go in a little smoother. Gives it a little bit of lubrication. So do that. Doesn't have to be a lot, just a little bit. Put a dab there. Just go around the ring like so. I'll just help seat the ball joint a little bit here. So now you can see that I have the ball joint. It's just sitting in the hole, and we'll put the grease fitting, the Zerk fitting on after. I just want to get it pressed in the hole for the moment. We're gonna screw our big threaded rod in here like so. So this particular one happens to be a 22mm 6-point socket. At least that's what I got to fit on it. And so we're going to put our install ring and our adapter or spacer on it. And then we're going to come up and put our cup on the bottom here. Alright. Now once you've got the clamp on, you can start to snug it in place. It should go pretty easily here. There is one piece I want to put on here just to kind of space it a little better. That little adapter is called the installer remover. Just because I don't want this threaded rod here, I don't know if you can see it on one of the camera shots here. I don't want this to go all the way down into the ball joint. That would totally defeat the purpose. Put our ratchet back on here. Alright, we are in place. Alright, so you can see I have the ratchet on top here. We have the threaded bolt. I have a couple of adapters here and a cup, and you can see the ball joint is fully pressed in at this point. So we're going to undo this and we're going to take a look. So now at this point, I'm not doing this tonight. This is as far as I'm going with this truck tonight. You would install your grease fitting. You would install your snap ring. This particular ball joint has a snap ring that goes with it. And boot if your ball joint requires it. This one has a built-in boot underneath, so I don't have to put a boot on this one. So that's pretty much how you install a ball joint with this particular ball joint service tool on a 98 F150. Guys, if you liked that video and found it informative, helpful, whatever, please be sure to click the like and the subscribe button below. I'm working on bringing more content to the channel, working on getting better cameras. I've got some GoPros I've invested in, working on getting a 4K camera, microphone setup as well, so that I can bring you guys better content. Again, if you liked the video, please like, subscribe below. I'll be bringing you more of this truck. I have a lot more to do on it. I have a whole corner to rebuild, bushings to replace, etc. So stay tuned for more.